Hey team, starting May 1st, I've got a special announcement. So many of you who have followed me over the years know that I like to do a yearly challenge called Beast Mode. And in Beast Mode, I try to write as many words as humanly possible in a short period of time. I started Beast Mode during COVID as a way to keep myself occupied and productive during what was a kind of a crazy time. And I've continued doing it post COVID, and I'm doing it this year, but with a twist. So, while I am going to be writing as much as humanly possible, I also invite you to write as much as humanly possible, whatever your goals may look like. But hey, you need not be writing in order to participate in Beast Mode. You could be editing your novel. You could be writing a screenplay. You could be doing your homework for all I care. All I care is that I'm providing a space for everyone in the community to participate, to meet your writing goals, whatever they may be, and to recommit to the process of writing if you happen to have fallen off the wagon. First things first, you don't have to prepare anything to participate. All you have to do is bring yourself and your current work in progress. You can expect regular videos for motivation and support here on this channel during the month of May, as well as a power hour every Saturday in May 2024, so that everybody has some more opportunities and more excuses to write. I've also got a shiny new Discord. Many of you have been asking me to do a Discord for years, and I finally got around to it. It's a little raggedy right now, but just bear with me. I'll drop a link in the description below. Hop on over. I will be in the Discord every day cheering all of you guys on. We can talk about writing. We can talk about anything else you want to talk about. I'll probably put some silly writing comics in there just to motivate and inspire all of you. But yeah, join me on Discord if you dare. And I'm going to have some special prizes, and anyone who is engaged in the Discord, subscribe to this YouTube channel, or on my newsletter will see those opportunities as they come up and be eligible to potentially win. Beast Mode is about recommitting to the process of writing. It's starting to get nice outside, at least in the Northern Hemisphere. And what that means is that the great outdoors is going to be calling your name, vacations, lots of things, nice things to do outside. And sometimes we can let writing fall by the wayside. And it's okay to do all those things. I know I certainly am going to be taking advantage of them, but just don't forget, don't let the writing fall by the wayside. And Beast Mode is just a reminder for all of us that we can support each other, motivate each other, and we can reach our goals. So I'm looking forward to jumping into Beast Mode. I hope you will join me, and let's have some fun. Take care.